Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Oppo A78 5G. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices. Following that, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then get this free app from this developer. And when it's ready, open it. In order to set it up, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose not now if you want to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi Device and receive next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Stick around on Oppo to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. You can finally select all of those categories at the top. And in chosen category, tap on those dots at the top left corner to choose all of your files. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose one of those connection ways. If you want to connect scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Oppo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up by choosing while using the app or only this time. And point your device's camera at the QR code. Then wait. You can also input this key by selecting Input key section instead. Typing in all of those numbers from Xiaomi smartphone and hitting Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!